Hello guys, welcome to our channel Drunken Engineer where we have started sharing trading videos. So today I have taken two trades. One is in Tata Steel and one is in Nifty, and both bleeded like anything. The trade went against my setup and I had a very huge loss. So if you look at the orders, so these are the two orders, and if you look at the positions, so 7,000 rupees were wiped out. The capital used here was just 35,000, and out of 35,000, 7,000 was wiped out. It was a very bad day for me. So I'll share the mistake what I have done here so that it would be helpful for you. So basically, why I have taken the trade was, so in Tata Steel, first thing was metal sector was very green today. So it was running like anything. 2% is a very good gain. So Nifty Metal was uh, very positive today. So when I have opened Tata Steel, which comes under Nifty Metals, so here if you see in the 915 candle itself has taken out the previous day's high. So I was alerted here itself. I was just waiting for one red candle to form, like one pullback. So here that pullback happened, and I have entered the trade here in 940. And my stop loss was this. This is my stop loss was first 5 minutes candle like here, because this was the first mistake that I have done here, choosing the wrong stop loss, and my target was way above this. If you go on the daily time frame, so till here I have kept the stop loss. So here, this was one more mistake, like a huge, very huge risk to reward ratio. I was going with I was in the hunt of very big risk and reward. So that's the reason I got lost. And one more thing, if you notice here I have entered the trade, and here itself it has given me an indication that a double top has been formed. The lower has been taken out. Previous swing low has been taken out, and it might fall. But I couldn't see this structure there. But after I have completed my trade, when I was analyzing my mistakes, there I have noticed this. Here itself on 1025 or 1030 candle itself, it gave me a clear indication that the trend has changed. But I kept waiting till my entire stop loss got hit till somewhere here, and huge amount like 5,500 were wiped out here. Then to recover that 5,500, I have taken one more trade in Nifty, because Nifty was also changing its direction. Early morning it was in positive side, then after from afternoon it was going downside. So here what happened? Here previous day's low was taken out by this candle. So my assumption was, once this has been taken out, it would fall. So I was waiting for one pullback. So in this candle, somewhere in this or in this candle, with this stop loss, very small stop loss, I have entered the trade. But unfortunately, like within 5-10 minutes, this candle closed above the stop loss, so I have to exit here. So these were the two trades that I have taken today, and very bad day and huge loss. Like 7,000 in 35,000 is 30% approximately. So 30, yeah, more than 25%. So more than, sorry, 20%. So very bad day. Hopefully, I should not replicate the error again. But yeah, happens sometimes. So this was about the video, guys. Thank you for watching. But never repeat the same mistake again and again. That is the learning from this video.